You can use the set limit box command to display a customizable planar box in plan view or in a 3D box in 3D view. And this allows you to select the scan points or other objects you want to view, and then all other objects outside of the box are no longer displayed in the graphic view. So to do this, you'll see here we're going to go to the support tab. We're going to click set limit box. And you can see that it creates this yellow box, and you can control the color. You can provide a name for it. So maybe this is overall or just a field. I'm just going to call this the field. And you can set a color. You can see the origin and the length and the width. So all these grips allow you to come in and control what you the size of the box. So I can come in here and use these grips to shrink my view basically and only display what's in that box. And you can use here, I can rotate this accordingly, and I can even rotate it or move it side to side and move it up and down. So these grips allow you to set the box. Once you have it set, you can click create and it'll create that box or that view. You can do another one. So if I do a new one, then what I can do here is shrink this one down and only display the let's say this subdivision I'm working on. So this kind of helps if you've got a large data set and you're working even in a 3D box. So I'm going to create that one. Now if I go to the 3D view, I can create a new limit box here, and you can see that it creates a 3D cube. So if I don't want to see the trees, I can take this area and move it down so I'm only viewing that portion of the information. So you can see on the face of the box, I can take and make these larger or smaller. You can even rotate it as well. So if I come over here and make this smaller, I'll go ahead and create that box. So what it does when I close is you'll see it only views the information within that box. Now you can always pick on the box and resize it, and over here like in plan view, if you want to switch it from one to the other, you just go to set limit box and switch it to the field, and now I'm viewing just the field area instead of the overall area.